Hello everyone, welcome to the Stitching Post. I'm Nancy, this is Knitting with Nancy, and I want to introduce you to a new kit we have here in the store. And it's called the Persimmon Wrap from Blue Sky Fibers. And it is a full poncho. And I'm going to open the pattern up because that's what I'm doing, and show you it is a long rectangle that you are making. And then we are folding over to sew it up on the side. So I wanted to give you a preview of this. And this is the beginning of it. It uses 5 skeins of Blue Sky Woolstock Light, which is a single ply twist to it. Quite lovely to knit with if you've ever worked with their worsted weight Woolstock. It's got a great, nice feel to it, really squishy, fun to play with in your hands. It uses 5 skeins, 2 here of the light gray, 1 of the rust, and then the medium and the dark grays on it. So I just wanted to give you a little preview of what this yarn and pattern looks like and how much fun I'm having knitting with it. It is some different stitches that you'll get to play with yarn overs, some SSKs, which I'll tell you what they are at another time when we go over more about the kit. But as you can see, it's a really beautiful pattern, and it will enhance your stitch dictionary, I should say, and other things that you can then put these stitches into. So I hope you'll join me in this kit and enjoy it as much as I am. Have a great day.